Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today.
Looking at gold on the daily, weekly, shorter term time frame, so a higher low and a higher high today, a bit of consolidation, back testing and holding the 200-day moving average support of 1265.57. So that's a good job by the bulls. And we'll look to see if we can get some follow through on this bullish MACD cross, and we'll be watching the middle Bollinger Band resistance and also watching 1279.40, the high we've seen on this bounce. If we break that level again, there is, again, meaning I've said it many times, there is little resistance up to 1300, and if we keep trading sideways here, this middle Bollinger Band is going to drop right at that level, so we could take out two resistances at once if we get over that middle Bollinger Band as it approaches 1279. The weekly time frame is rejecting from the 200-week moving average resistance of 1277.38. That's a key battle as well, so there is a lot of resistance in the upper 1270s. And if the bulls can get above them, we should see another easy leg to the upside. But the bulls still have proving to do, as those levels are going to be tough. Gold today, I was highlighting my beautiful drawing here, this bearish reversal head and shoulders pattern on the hourly. And I was pointing this out pre-market, and this candlestick had just formed when I drew this and said it's not very developed yet, but it's definitely worth paying attention to. The neckline is here, 1268.50, a double low of consolidation. We saw a bounce in higher highs, but then the dump came, and as soon as 1268.50 broke, that was the signal to enter dust or JDSD, and there was a nice day trade to be had there as gold did continue to show weakness. Now here we are testing the low of the day, 1265.50. If we break that after hours, we're going to see further downside. We've got 1261 as the next higher low of support on the hourly. So the bears are still in control on the day. This bearish head and shoulders pattern was a heads up, as was losing this uptrend support line on the hourly. And if we zoom out and look at it differently on the 4-hour, we can see we're still maintaining higher lows, this being key support down here at 1261. Bearish MACD cross on the 4-hourly, RSI cooling off significantly, and the hourly RSI cooling off significantly as well, down at 40. So we're looking for bulls to maintain this 200-day moving average support. And in terms of the bull miners, we've seen pretty much the exact same range yesterday and today. The middle Bollinger Band resistance is a very key level to keep an eye on tomorrow. We have JDX right at that middle Bollinger Band. It's actually turned it into support, back tested, and held it today. And JDXJ also has it as support. But NUGT and JNUG do not yet. They need that level. But all four of these names, their range today and yesterday were pretty much the exact same. The bulls did buy the dip today and closed up near the high of the day, so that does show some strength here on JNUG, same thing, and we'll see if that strength can carry over into tomorrow. We'll see if the market bulls show up tomorrow. All kinds of things to be factoring here. Microsoft had bullish earnings. After hours SPY is to the upside, so we're going to see if, similar to when Netflix had a big beat, if that's going to be some momentum to the upside for the bulls in the overall market, which obviously will do nothing but help these bull miners. So it's going to be a very interesting day to end the week. The last thing the bulls want on these mining plays is a big upper wick showing profit taking to end this week. So important for the bulls to keep showing up tomorrow, and the gold bulls want to hold this 200-day moving average support in the 1265 range. Otherwise, we're looking down at 1261. We'll check back in tomorrow and see where we stand going into next week. But the bull miners is still the direction to be looking, and it will be very clear if we get a bearish break, if we break the low of today, as we can see the bulls buying the dip the past 2 days off of the same level. So I appreciate you tuning in. Thanks for all the likes and the shares. They certainly make a difference, and I hope you have a great night. I'll see you tomorrow.